Hi, Brad from WPSites.net. Let's take a look at how to set up taxes in WooCommerce. And this is just a basic beginner's guide, but go to your WordPress dashboard, settings, on the general tab, click enable taxes. Save the changes. Once you do that, you'll see a tax tab added right here. So we'll click on that. And here's your different settings. Now, in most cases, you'll just use the default settings. So next step is to add standard taxes. So in this case, I've added 3. One for Thailand, Australia, United States. I've called them different names, which you can do here. And I've added different tax rates for each country. Now, if you wanted, you could add different tax rates per state, zip code, or city. But in this case, we'll just do it for countries. The next step, we'll go to a product, main product. So I'll add this to cart. I've already added it to the cart. And we'll see there's 20% tax applied. So this is applied based on the billing address, the billing details here. If I change the billing details here to another country, that tax rate will change. And we can see the tax here is only $20, which is 20%. It'll change based on the taxes that I've set up in the tax settings. For the standard rates. Now the standard rates here, 20% for America, 30% for Australia, 10% for Thailand. Now we can also add a custom tax rate. If you want to add a tax rate per product, we can create a class. So in this case, we'll create a dangerous goods class. Dangerous goods. So we'll add an extra tax for dangerous goods. And here it is here, the extra tax class. We'll apply this to United States, US. We'll add 35%. Dangerous goods. So when we go now back to the checkout page, the tax should be 35%. And there we go, 35%. So setting up taxes in WooCommerce is pretty straightforward, really. If you need any more help with taxes, contact Brad Dalton at WPSites.net. Thanks for watching. Cheers. See you next time.